Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Domingos. I'm also known as DMA and appreciate when I'm called DMA. Today we have this problem. They said integral of dx over x to the power 50 plus x is equal to ln of x over x to the power 49 plus 1 all to the power k plus c. They are telling us to find the value of k. Okay, for us to find the value of k, first what we're going to do is solving the integral to see if our solution is similar or the same as that one that we were given. Okay, so we're going to first factorize here the value of x, which is going to be x to the power 49 plus 1. Okay, now if we check, we have 1 here in the numerator. So if we apply, let's say, the partial fraction whereby you have to introduce variables, that will be too long because it's x to the power 49. It may be boring and so complicated and tiring as well. So what we do is we have to transform. We have to create this expression here on top, on the numerator. Remember, we already have the 1, but we don't have x to the power 49. So what we can do, we can say x to the power 49 plus 1 minus x to the power 49 over x factor x to the power 49 plus 1 dx, which is not wrong because we can simplify these two because they're symmetric to one another. We still have the 1, so it goes back. So we can separate this part here with the common denominator and this one with the common denominator. Separating, we're going to have x to the power 49 plus 1 over x to the power 49 plus 1 dx minus integral x to the power 49 over x times x to the power 49 plus 1 dx. Okay, now if we check, we can simplify these two. We're going to have integral dx over x minus this 49 and this x we can simplify, which will be 48. This x is simplified. Integral x to the power 48 over x to the power 49 plus 1. Now this integral is known because this integral is going to be ln x minus this expression here. We can just say integral 1. We can just call it integral 1. So if we look in the integral 1, because this one we already know the solution, if we look in the integral 1, we can let this denominator to be equal to t because the derivative of the denominator gives us the numerator. So we can let now x to the power 49 plus 1 to be equal to a new variable. Let's say t. We didn't let anything with t. So the derivative of this expression will be 49 x to the power 48 dx equal to dt. But if we look in our integral, we don't have 49, so we can isolate it. It's going to be 1 over 49. Now, where there is this expression on top, we can substitute by 1 over 49 dt over the denominator, which is t. So the constant can come outside. We can have 1 over 49. This is, again, ln, so this is going to be 1 over 49 ln of t, which is equal to 1 over 49 ln of, what is the value of t? The value of t we said it's x to the power 49 plus 1. It's going to be x to the power 49 plus 1. Okay, this expression can come on top, so it's going to be ln of x to the power 49 plus 1 all to the power 1 over 49. Okay, now the first solution of this integral was ln x. So we have ln x minus this solution, ln of x to the power 49 plus 1 all to the power 1 over 49. So if they are subtracting those two logs, well, then we divide. So it's going to be ln of x over x to the power 49 plus 1 all to the power 1 over 49. So if we check, this solution is similar to this one. So these imply that the value of k, which is this k, is this exponent, 1 over 49. That's the value of k. I hope you enjoyed, and This is interesting. So if you enjoy, leave your like, your comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share with your friends.